And it goes a little something like
Good damn day, everybody. We've got some exciting news. We're getting a puppy!
Yeah, it's gonna be nice. Doberman.
A Doberman girl, and she'll be here this week. So we are going on an adventure to get her everything she needs before she gets here. And we're going to take you guys along. We're also going to take Moose into Petco so Moose can pick Sissy some stuff. Paulo, you ready to go? We took him here yesterday and it was closed, so we got his little hopes up for nothing. But today he's gonna pick Sissy some stuff out.
Yeah.
You get to pick her a toy. Yeah, we're gonna pick her some leash and collar. Okay, and we'll pick you something out too. Okay. We'll check in with you guys in a little bit. Our current options. I said aw to this one. Found the winning collar. Good damn day, everybody. It is Tuesday, September 29th, and I am just chilling in the barn at my boyfriend's family's farm. And I was sitting here and I look up and I thought I about pooped my pants, like for real, because I thought there was a mouse in here, and I'm not so good with rodents, like it's not my thing. Let me show you. I looked up and I saw this thing staring at me. Yeah, it's just a freaking cut. It's just a sticker. It's a sticker that says God bless America, and it's a little freaking mouse, and I thought it was real. It scared the crap out of me. Little moose. Oh, are you excited to get a sissy soon? Are you excited to get a sissy soon? Hey, baby! What did you just tell me?
Puppy?
Puppy! It is Wednesday, September 29th, and my baby pulled a fast one on me and told me that we're getting our puppy today and not tomorrow. I'm still so excited. Paulo, come here. This is your last couple moments as a only child. Our biggie boy's gonna be a big brother. Come on, Baba. So we're getting ready to leave to go get her. But first we give our poo-poo treats. Which one you want? You want the liver one? Which one should I give him?
Not the liver.
The liver one's for Sissy. Okay. Let's show everybody how good you are with cheese. Okay, come here. Hello. Sit. Good boy. Oops, gentle. Good boy. Gentle. Good boy. Hello guys, so we just pulled up to where we're getting our puppy. He's not lying, I thought he was kidding, but we were literally right here. He showed me the thing and it says she is 10 minutes out. Our little baby is 10 minutes out. We're excited. I'll check in with you guys when we get her, when we're about to go in, and I'm so excited. You're so cute. Oh, she's talking back. Good girl, Athena. You got it? Good girl. Yes, little one. Look at those little head wiggles. She doesn't even flinch anymore.
No.
She's like, oh. Oh. Yeah. It's a hard rain. Little Steve.
Oh, Paulo.
Your ear's looking a little wonky there, bub. Hey. Hi, Apollo. I love you, big boy. Good girl, Athena. Good girl. Ah, incoming. Good girl. You're sitting awfully funny. Look at the way she's sitting. Athena.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky
This is her
falling
sitting spot.
down.
She goes here all the time just to sit right in that spot. That is why it is dug up. She is a bit of a workout.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, really wanna know.
Hey guys, so I'm jumping on to end this little vlog. Our sweet little puppy Athena, she's been here for about a week, a little over a week now, and she is adjusting so well. She knows her name, she knows to sit, she knows how to get up and down the back porch. She is fully potty trained and she just keeps getting bigger and bigger. I feel like she's almost double the size she was when we first got her. So yeah, we're having a lot of fun with our sweet little pup. We love her. She's a little tired. She's been worn out. And anyway, catch you in the next one. Say bye.
Bye.
It looks like I have a little editor-in-chief. Look at this. Look at the ball. She's been on me all night. Every time I pull out my laptop. This is one.
Even